Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make TikTok video visible only to your friends. TikTok users are able to control who may view their uploaded videos and only allow their friends to watch them. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and open one of your videos that privacy settings you would like to change. After that, hit the three dots icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Go right on the bottom menu until you see the privacy settings option and click on it. Now press on the Who can watch this video section. Choose the Friends option in order to make your video visible only to your TikTok friends. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make TikTok video visible only to your friends. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.